Hello. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm here to show you how to use the search function of our site so you can use it to navigate through your catalog just a little bit faster. So starting here from our products page, we'll go up to the top of the screen, click on the search bar right here, and type in what you're looking for. So in this instance, let's say I'm looking for a pair of gloves. I'll just type in gloves up top, nothing too specific. And you can either hit the enter key or click on the search button there. And as you can see, it pulls up all the gloves that are listed in our catalog. Now, if you wish to, you can filter it out by manufacturer. So let's say I want to see only Ansel gloves. I'll click on Ansel right here. And now you can only see gloves in our catalog that are manufactured by Ansel. And if you wish to, you can filter it out even further by filtering out by brand or category. I hope this helps, and you have a nice day.